Hello, this is Matt with the National Weather Service Chicago office. This was recorded around 6 a.m. on Tuesday, March 11th. We appreciate you joining us for this latest multimedia weather briefing in which we will cover a return to winter tonight into early Wednesday. A look at the current National Weather Service winter weather headlines. The pink shaded area is a winter storm warning that is in effect from 10 p.m. this evening through the morning on Wednesday. Now, winter storm watch remains in effect for areas south, including Gibson City, Fowler, Watseka, Rensselaer. Expect that this will change to either a warning or advisory as today progresses. Check back to our website and social media pages for more on that. To the north, the winter weather advisory is in effect beginning this evening and lasting into early Wednesday morning. That includes such areas as the far north Chicago Metro and DeKalb and Dixon. On the national scope, this winter storm will have impacts as you head eastward, where winter storm watches and warnings are in effect all the way into New England. The main impacts for the local area. First, rain will transition to snow from north to south this evening into early overnight. Not long after that transition and persisting through overnight will be very heavy snowfall rates. We're talking 1 to 2 inches per hour, and temporarily over 2 inches per hour is possible in some areas, and that includes even seeing some thunder snow that could occur. And that's mainly in the winter storm warning area and where the winter storm watch is in effect, at least as of early this morning. Also, the winds will be on the increase, especially into overnight and lasting into Wednesday morning. There's increasing confidence because of those lingering winds and the fact that the heavy snowfall happens just prior to daybreak, that there will be hazardous conditions, if not very hazardous conditions, during the Wednesday morning commute period. A look at that transition time that we have forecast for rain changing to snowfall. And we list a window of time here on this map from north to south that it could change. Again, some areas the transition may last a couple hours. As for other areas, it may be very swift where it occurs. And again, right after that transition, the snowfall could already become heavy quickly. Here's a look at the total snowfall accumulation from late this evening into early Wednesday morning. The highest accumulations, again, are in the winter storm warning area. Most accumulation will be done west of Interstate 57 by early Wednesday morning. As you get east of Interstate 57, including in northwest Indiana, additional snowfall accumulations of 1 inch, maybe 2 inches could occur during Wednesday morning. Here's a look at the timeline for the winter storm warning area. Again, rain will transition to snow during the mid to late evening, and then that snow will be heavy overnight and then taper into Wednesday morning. The winds in the purple shade there really ramp up as you get into overnight and persist into Wednesday morning. So the impact, hazardous travel conditions. Again, the winter storm warning includes the heart of Chicago and including the city, and you can see here that the impacts are similar, expecting the transition time to be between 9 p.m. and midnight, and again, that snow will become heavy as we go into overnight. Total snowfall accumulations 4 to 7 inches for the heart of the city. As we look at the Rockford metro area here, there is no winter weather headline in effect as of this morning for the Rockford metro area, and that is mainly because the snow, while it may be moderate at times, is not expected to be very heavy, and that will limit total accumulations, so minimal impacts are presently expected. Now again, the winds will pick up. There could be some blowing snow into Wednesday morning, including the commute period, but right now, in terms of significant impacts, they look to be southeast of the Rockford area. For more on your own timeline, visit our webpage, weather.gov/Chicago, or our mobile webpage, mobile.weather.gov. You can click on the map on the webpage or just enter your zip code or town, and that includes on the mobile page. Here is some information for those of you that are traveling or need to travel later tonight. And again, keep these in mind as you get into Wednesday morning because there could be very hazardous travel conditions lingering then. Again, this was recorded at around 6 a.m. on Tuesday, March 11th. More information will be available on our website throughout the day, weather.gov/Chicago, as well as our social media pages on Facebook, Twitter, and potentially an update to this on our YouTube channel.